February 19th at the Glenmore Sands and Cabanas, Glenmore Beach. Hello, anyone home? Got a huge unit. A little dated, but very, very nice. My beautiful wife. Giant granite counter. Four burner stove. Full fridge. 3 bedrooms in this place. This is kind of the second guest bedroom with its own private bath with a shower. The only shower in the unit. I like the lamps. 2 huge closets. Big open plan here. Plenty of storage space all over the place. Back here, 2 more bedrooms. This is probably, you would have to call the kids' room. 2 small beds, single beds, nice mirror. We always bring a scale, especially since we're on our New Year's diets still. And then across the hall, the master bed. Nice big queen bed. The cool lights again. Right on the ocean. We're going to film this a little differently for the outside with the iPhone to get a better picture. 2 big giant closets. A safe inside there. And then the second bathroom is bigger, which has a tub and a handheld shower. Nice unit. We traded into RCI for this unit. Every timeshare we put the sheets on the couches to protect our pristine bodies. This one we hooked up our Roku stick and an HDMI cable so we can hook it up to the computer and watch our downloaded movies. Tricks from on the road. Hey, there's the RCI logo. I will show you the outside in a minute. Let's go to Glenmore Beach. There have been several wrecks along this coast, this rocky coast filled with shoals, dangerous reefs. bad storms. This is part of an engine of, I believe, the latest one. Something around 1914. We have the story back in our condo. There were lots of parts. There's some in museums now.
Gotcha. So there's the sun, ready for setting. It's 6:16 and the sunset is 6:38.
Less than 20 minutes.